Hello and welcome to this episode of What is in My Travel Bag. So today we're going to be packing a little bit of natural makeup. I am going to be taking my SPF. It's also going to double as my moisturizer. I should probably clean this out first, but whatever. All right. I'm either going to take this palette or I've got this one. Oh, they're about the same size. Do you see that? They're like almost the same size. I think I'll go ahead and take this one since it has a powder, blushes, highlighter, and bronzer. So it basically is a 4-in-1. So I'll go ahead and do that. But just so you know, that when it does fit inside this little bag here, I think you can get it at Walmart. I think that's where I got mine from. I also depotted some, it was a Makeup Geek trio. These are bronzers, but you can take them out if you're kind of careful. I put the magnetic adhesive in the bottom there so I could do a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight if I wanted to. And that's what I was kind of thinking I would do, but then I would still have to have a powder. So I'll just go ahead and use what's in here. So we'll put those away. It's just an overnight bag, so it's not like I have to have a whole lot of stuff. Like, I can double up on some of the things. I think I'm going to double up on cream products, so this can act as a bronzer, and then if I need to, I can add a little bit of blush. And that is the Primrose Cheek, the Seraphine Botanicals Primrose and Cheek palette. So I won't need this. Sorry, so I won't need this. Don't need a highlighter. Not taking lashes. This concealer is like broken. It comes out of here instead of out of here, so we won't worry about that. So we'll just kind of make sure I have more of a full coverage foundation. And I like this, but it doesn't wear very well. This one wears even worse. I've been mixing. That's kind of a problem for me. This one wears really well, but it's too light for me. You can see, I think I'll have to go with the Healthy Foundation. I'm in the shade Medium Cool. Again, also a discontinued product. This is kind of why I don't do a lot of these like shop with me stashes and stuff like that. This is an eyeshadow base. Since I'm not taking a concealer, I will go ahead and splurge on that. Probably need some sort of a lip product, but I think I'll make it this one right here. It's a nice like nude lip balm with a little bit of color. And it also provides some SPF. Okay. I think I can probably safely take all of these. There's a brown, it's kind of a dark espresso brown, a lip liner that would go with that Coola, and then my Merit brow gel. So we'll go ahead and take all of those. A powder puff, yeah, I'll throw that in, and I'll probably take this sponge as well. So there we go. I could take these don't, however, I don't know. Which one? They don't really. I need both of them, and they don't look all that good. They look a little cakey on me. That one's a really good shade match, though. But I feel like it's not a good shade match when I get it on my this is my Nabla Viper thing, and this is what I use for a lip plumper. I think, I don't know. This one, I don't like it. I tried it, and it's like the, it's like the Wet n Wild lip mask, and I don't particularly care for it, but there's another one that is at the Dollar Tree that I'm going to be hopefully picking up, and it is the LA Colors one. It is nice, however. Ooh, maybe I could take something like this instead. It's a it's Bobbi Brown's Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. It does last a while on me. And use it as like an eyeshadow base. I think I'll do that. And I'll probably take this as well. I tend to regret not bringing like lip oils or lip chapsticks and stuff like that. And then that ends up being something that I splurge on when I'm out and about. So I will go ahead and stack that in. And then for lashes, I'm grabbing my Laura Mercier. I think it's like a natural brown type of mascara. Nothing special. It's just something to kind of coat the lashes. It's been opened, so I need to start using it. So I'm going to go ahead and stack that in as well. All right, so this is what we have so far. And I think, honestly, I could probably make an eyeshadow look out of what I've got. So I don't really need an eyeshadow palette per se. Let's go ahead and take a look and see if there's any eyeshadow palettes that are easy to use, you know, really nice formula and just something that's easy to work with. Okay, so just before we head over there, I also want to grab some brushes. I think I'm going to go ahead and grab these right here. These are just some travel MAC brushes, Eco Tools, and some dirty. Yeah, there's an Eco Tools. There's some MAC brushes. I think I'll go ahead and grab some of them and use them. Other than that, it would basically be my Delium tools, and it's kind of big, and since I broke my foot, I am going to have to travel with a backpack, so I want to make sure I save as much room as possible for anything else that I need to take with me, so I'm just going to go ahead and take these brushes right here. Just quickly peeking in to see if I have anything that would be easy to use. It would probably have to be something along these Anastasia palettes or this Dose of Colors. This is a Vivid Brights, colorful. This is quite colorful and it's a little bit harder to use. Or maybe this MAC palette would actually be. Ooh, yeah. I think I'm going to go ahead and use that. I can easily use some of these cream to powder formulas as my transitions, or I can use my bronzer and then just grab one of these shimmers. So I think I'll go ahead and use this one. It's pretty small, it's compact, and it'll be nice. Oh, but wait. I forgot. I have this little guy in the palm of your hand. Let me open it up and see what I've got inside. This might be what I want. Yeah, I think I might go ahead and just take this. This has some more blushes, a highlighter, the Mary Luminizer highlighter. And then it's got just some nice, like, lots of transition colors since I have the shimmery Bobbi Brown and since I have the shimmery highlighter from my Physicians Formula. I think I'll go ahead and do this. And that way also, this can kind of act as a contour. It's a little cooler of a bronzer, but it is the Bahama Mama bronzer. Yeah, this will be a good palette to take with me. Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and take this one. So you're going back, Mac. Okay, and lastly here is all of the makeup, brushes, tools, cream products, everything that I need. So just taking one more peek just to make sure that in fact this will fit. Let's go ahead and close it, see if it'll fit. I don't think it actually will. No, it will. It will fit in there. There we go. Okay. Sliding it down, it fits. Okay. So there you have it. And then I'll just kind of grab a few of these brushes as needed. Like I'm probably not going to take this because I don't have time to wash it. So when you guys are seeing this, I will be at a birthday party. So we're staying the night there since it's a little jaunt down there. So yeah, this is what I'm going to bring with me. All right, hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you do, make sure you subscribe down below and click the notification so that you guys can be notified every single time I upload. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.